upper, lower, and center. Yeah. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 regions get from blackface. Okay. Step 3. Turn around the black face to red face. 4 sets. Get ready. Step 4. Aim at back set and red face. Yeah? So get ready. Of course, these two ready just get by the middle one. Yeah? The middle one. Okay. Here we have 8 regions. Then do calculation. Of course, in field work, the calculation is done at the same time. For example, once you get these two readings, you should immediately calculate the distance. Yeah, we never do calculation until all readings got. It's just to get these two, we calculate this. Yeah, at the same time. Okay, let's see how to get this result. Okay, firstly, these two, the upper and the lower of blackface is used to determine the distance between instrument and rods. This is backside. So use upper minus lower, then multiplied by 100. Then you get the distance. For example, here is 1.426 and 0.995. Yeah? Okay, so 1, 3, 8, 4. Yeah? The unit is meter, no meters, because here, yeah, meter. Multiplied by 100. That means the point moved from this to this. Yeah. Multiplied by 100. So the distance should 43.1. 43.1. So this way, the unit is meter. Of course, we say this is law precision. Yeah. So you have no necessary for the high precision, just laws. Why multiplied by 100? Because the instrument made by the factory, when made and the design, is just use this as the index. Use this how to say? It's fixed index. Okay, 固定的。Yeah. Yes. For all around the world, in all countries, all factory, all lab instrument use this as the index. Okay. So here is the distance for backset, and then forset, the distance 43.1. Okay, also use this minus this, get this. Okay, multiplied by 100. And here is the difference between back and the forset distance is 0. Yeah, 0. Usually there will be some difference, not 0. Usually not 0. Here, this is just a special case. Yeah. So we use backset distance minus forset distance to get this, the difference of distance, the difference of side distance. Yeah? Yes. Get this. This should less than 5 meters for fourth class. Should less than 5 meters. And here is the total difference of side distance. Yeah? Total difference of side distance. And that side distance, difference of side distance for each station here. this is the total. That means this is the first station. So the total, the sum of difference should equal itself. But for second station, if here we have another, total difference, the total difference should equal the difference of current station plus the total difference of last station, to get the total difference. Yeah. Okay, this is the distance calculation. Here, the radius. For here, this grid, it means the elevation difference got by black face. Here, black face, foresight. We always use backside minus foresight. So 1211 minus 0586 gets this elevation difference. This is just like similar to the experiment yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday experiment we just used these two regions to get elevation. Yeah. And because now we use red face, so for red face we also use backside reading minus foresight reading. So we get another elevation difference. So in theory, we say because the 0 point is different of two rods, we say the elevation difference got by black face and the red face, we have a difference 100 millimeters in theory. Here we say 0.625, 725. Yeah. Here for this station, here the right result is bigger than black. Yeah, is bigger than black. So the next station, so the right is bigger or smaller than black. Smaller because the road is interchanged for each station. Yeah, for each station. For the first station, the backside road should be changed for the second station's foresight road. So here, if the first station is bigger, then next is smaller, bigger, smaller. This interchange. Okay. Okay. So here, this two is the difference of radius. For example, this grade equal black face reading plus the 0 point reading of the road. The 0 point reading of the roads. For example, 4787, 4687. Yeah. But because the backside road and the foresight road is different, yeah. So in the recording book, sometimes we use the mark A and B to make a mark. For example, for A road, maybe the 0 point of the road of red face is 4687. Just use this to mark. Yeah. Okay. So here you say A. For example, A, the 0 point is 4787, and for B road is 4687. That means for this, because he used A road, put on the backside point. That means for this road, the 0 point reading is 4787. So use 1211 plus 4787 equal what? Equal 5998. Yeah? 8. Here 1211 plus 4787. The result is 598. So 8 minus 7. Here 1 millimeter. Yeah? Millimeter. This 1 millimeter, it means the difference of reading of the sun rod between black face and red face. should less than 3 millimeter. Should less than 3 millimeter. Yeah. And this the similar. Use this 586 plus 4687 minus this is just another 1 millimeter. Okay? Here, this two is the difference of reading between black face reading and red face reading. Okay? These two. Final, here, the final tracking. This grade should equal upper grade minus lower grade. 1 minus 1 equals 0. And at the same time, should equal left grade minus right grade equal this. Of course, here, if you just use 625 minus 725, of course, it's not equal 0. Yeah? But this grade, you get this. The purpose is just used to checking the blackface reading is right or not. So it always have a difference 100. So before any calculation, you should plus 100 or minus 100 millimeter to this. Before any calculation, you should plus or minus 100 millimeter, 0 point meter to this number, to make this number similar to blackface elevation difference. First, then we do calculation. That means here, if we want to use left grade minus right grade, so firstly we should plus or minus 100. That means change this number to 0.625. Firstly, then use this 625 minus 625 equals 0. Understand that? Okay. If
You change the left side or the right side?
change this,
If we have here on black 0.725.
cell,
Yeah, like if we change.
no change. Why change?
No, if here we have 0.725.
Oh, you mean this is smaller than this.
Yeah.
So in that situation, for example, for the second station, if here we minus 100, that means the second station should plus 100 to make this number similar to this number. First, because this number is just used for checking this number is right or not. Okay, and improve the precision. Okay. So if this grade equal upper minus lower and equal left minus right at the same time, that means the calculation is right. Okay. Of course, here equation should be equal exactly. Okay. Then if this finish, the checking finish, so you get the final result. For example, this. In this grade, 0.625. That means it's the mean value of these two numbers. Mean value. We use this plus this and divide by 2. Of course, because we say this number before any calculation, you should plus or minus 100 firstly, yeah? So, in fact, we use 625 plus 625, then divide by 2. It's still 625, yeah? Understand that?
Yes.
Okay. This is the calculation and the recording. So, let's do a test. And station here for the second station. Here we have get 8 readings, yeah, 8 readings. So please do yourself. So we say this. How do you get this? And how? And of course we have missing the fourth row, yeah, and complete. And the difference of distance and the total difference of difference. And here the elevation difference and these two, how to get this, and how to calculation. Have a try. So minutes later I will ask you how to get this result. Okay? We say the final test, we will not say, we will say, it's just these tables, it's just the calculation. Of course, we can have a question. Huh? Not all. Why miss fourth? It's just missing. Huh? 3. This. Which is 3 means and station. Huh? What's 3? Shut up. Means this 3 means 1. Means 1. Oh, not two rows. This you ignore that. No.